All right, welcome back to Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. Today we are going for a drive. We had to head down to Sarasota, drop the car off at Priime Vinyl to get wrapped up. So without further ado, I'm going to hit the road and I will see you guys in a couple seconds.
Powered by 8.
All right, this is the Skyway Bridge. As you can see, it's super foggy right now. But sometimes when you go over this bridge when it's really foggy, you'll break up through the fog layer and it'll be just really cool because you're pretty much above the clouds or fog. So I'm seeing if that's what's about to happen or not. So as we approach the top, it's getting a little bit brighter. It's clearing up a little bit more. And it looks like we're gonna be almost out of the fog, but I'm not sure how much out of the fog we're gonna be. It still looks like it's just a little bit low of a layer. But we are above the fog now. It is so cool. I don't know if you can see out this side or not, and then out this direction over here, but we are above the fog. As we come up over the bridge over here, maybe we'll see the layer. Let's see what happens. All you see is it's just going back into the fog as we go back down, but it's pretty wild. And we're back in the fog. Anyways, I'm gonna get back on the radio and we will talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, we have arrived finally. It wasn't a bad drive. It was kind of just relaxing a little bit. So we are at the back entrance of Priime. They have a nice front entrance. Obviously, we are gonna unload in the back here because that's where the garage door is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car off the trailer, get inside, and we will continue from there. Hey, how's it going, man?
Well. Hey, Chris.
Wow. Nice work, sir.
Thanks.
It's amazing. Oh, I didn't even notice this. So is this all spec Corvette stuff?
No.
Yeah, well, like you're out spec, sir.
Yeah, no, this is...
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Damn, it's on the boat side.
Yeah.
This is a serious piece of equipment here. Wow.
It's a Motec Bosch ABS and the C5 sequential.
Damn. Oh. This is a full-blown... You were ever to build something. This is certified.
Yeah.
A few Ferraris which were on point and a bunch of GT3 Cup cars and
Sure.
But this, wow.
This is obviously a new bumper. I just put it on, and it's all carbon fiber and stuff. And then we got a whole new aero package coming for this season. So just figured it was a good time to get things wrapped up and looking pretty. I ran the whole season with it kind of black and white, and
Yeah. Are we keeping the butterfly sticker above who?
You know, it's funny, I made like a little short video with that for like YouTube.
Yeah.
It got like 7,000 something views or something like that. It was like my daughter putting it on.
Yes.
Like, it was pretty funny.
We do have extra long face ramps if you'd like.
We might be okay. I got it on with these, so.
Okay.
But it was also on like probably a different level surface, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I'm wondering. Yeah, we might need them.
Alright, cool. Hey, Can you grab those, buddy?
Actually, you know what? Let me see if this will get it up. This might get it up over it. There we go. I got it up over it. We'll see if it gets it off that side. This isn't my, this is only my like take it to the dyno or around town trailer, so I don't use it that often, and it's the first time I've had it with this bumper on it. So which door are we going in?
Actually, we have to move a couple cars out this morning.
All right, no worries.
So what we'll end up doing is probably leaving that where your truck is parked for the next like 20-30 minutes.
All right.
We have to pull out things like an ice cream truck.
Oh, fun.
A golf cart. Just a couple things moving for pickup today.
Yep.
As soon as we got space, we'll pull.
All right, no worries then. I'll just put it here then.
All right, cool.
Yeah, we'll be pushing it around. We also have wheel jacks.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's not getting started, and
yeah, I was gonna say if it needs to be moved, I prefer it to be pushed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we won't start it.
Oh, okay.
Here, yeah.
But
we just have those wheel dollies. You just back them up and then.
Yep.
Is it still an LS1?
No, it's an LS3 based motor.
Oh, okay.
But I'll move it over there real quick and then.
it's gonna look real complete here in about a week.
Yeah, it'll be nice to get it done. It'll be nice to get it done.
You had this?
The car itself I've had for like 7 or 8 years, but this season was the first season that it's been done and running with like the rebuild and stuff. Yeah, I competed with it a couple years back, and then I had a lot of problems with like the stock computer and stuff, and I think I've gone through like 9 motors or something, and then it finally came to the point of like I'm just tired of the stock computer not being able to do what I want to do, and and then it kind of snowballed into a let's just do that and then do that, and then it kind of just snowballs.
Good job with this, man.
So
Looks great.
but yep,
Glad to help you make it look a little better, maybe.
yeah, it's gonna be very badass, I think.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, whatever you guys think's best, I'm totally open
Cool.
to whatever suggestions. I just know that was the one thing I was going back and forth on, if they need to be low or high. I mean, low is naturally, I think, where they need to be from a design point.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I absolutely agree with that.
For sure.
But,
Awesome.
yeah. All right.
Hopefully
Well.
look at these tires. Look at all the dirt.
Dude, they're ridiculous.
I know that.
It's ridiculous.
So soft.
My garage looks like this when I roll the car. I take the tires off, and I'll just pick a spot, and I just wipe my hand as I'm rolling the tire, and I sweep it up, and I do the next one, and it just,
That's so funny.
yeah,
we'll be doing
picks
that.
up everything.
That's funny.
But sorry, I don't have any other tires I could put on it for you guys.
You're good. All right, brother, I won't keep you any longer.
Yep, I'm gonna hit the road. All right, if you can recognize where we are back at Priime Vinyls to get the car today. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you here, and I'm gonna go inside. But before you do that, check out this pad. Like, I don't know if you guys have paid much attention to the Fisker cars, but man, they're pretty cool cars. And looks like, I don't know how they do, but this one looks like exhaust coming out the fender. And I don't know if these cars had generators, but it definitely looks like an exhaust coming out. So maybe it's been converted to gas or some sorts, but obviously had body work done. But they're such sharp looking cars. But anyways, let's go check out my ride. Door is. Which way? Which way? I don't want to go.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Doing all right, not too bad. How can I oh, this is you.
Yep.
All right, perfect. Literally
Ooh, that looks good.
just finished polishing it up for you.
Nice.
So yeah, that's good to go. And actually, the Corvette is in the back. Let's go around this way.
good look at it.
That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Ethan. Is that over here?
Here she is. Sorry that it's so crowded.
Oh man, I can't see it now. What's going on?
Right? We've got so many cars in here. You would step over here. I mean, it looks awesome. I did have to switch up the, and then of course, we can't stretch the vinyl on this whole base. So
Okay.
Black in here for cleanliness.
Okay.
Really happy.
Okay.
Everything else we did recreate the roof stuff, rasterized it,
Yep.
so it all matte.
Yeah, that was a tough one. I know that for sure.
Oh, I love it though.
Yeah, no, it looks great.
You look at the vehicle from back here, it looks awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm super happy with it, and yeah, we're gonna.
Looks totally different.
Oh, it's complete now, right? It's all done. You're ready to race. New car.
Yeah, that's sick.
Now you're in style.
That's right. I gotta make a U-turn because I'm gonna load it backwards
Okay.
because I don't have a front tow hook right now.
All right.
That's a new bumper, so I haven't cut out the hole for the tow hook yet.
Oh, so you're gonna pull it up backwards.
Yeah. So we'll make a complete U-turn here. Yeah, I think we're good.
Awesome.
And I think from here I can just drive it from here.
Okay.
Yeah. That'll be easier, just drive it.
Got all the little notes out of here. Okay, cool.
Did you need the one on the dash? Or is that your guys's or?
Yeah, I'll need this one. No, we had notes around the car. Don't touch the red buttons.
Don't, okay, yeah. So, as you can see, we got home safely with the car. It's back on the lift so we can finish up that series we started before the car left on getting those oil coolers ducted. So, there it is. We will continue on with getting those oil coolers ducted and getting everything set for the new splitter that's ordered and being made. All right, well, thanks for watching. We will see you next time.
Powered by Ocho.